Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, Wayfarer RB2132 and color code 902/57. It's a tortoise color frame. On the temples here we have a Ray-Ban writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the Ray-Ban writing in silver. The lenses are a polarized crystal brown color, and it has a Ray-Ban writing in white on the top right lens with P for polarized. It has a little stick over here, also says polarized. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, and a microfiber cleaning cloth.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.